Today we will discuss about quantum computing. So quantum computing is revolutionizing the way we process information, unlocking computational power far beyond classical computing. By leveraging the principles of quantum mechanics, it offers exponentially speed ups for complex problems, cryptography, optimization, and AI. According to the study by McKinsey, over 40% of enterprises believe quantum computing will disrupt industries with the next decade. Yet only a few have started experimenting with quantum algorithms. How quantum computing is different from traditional computing. So let us first understand the classical versus quantum computing, that is in the form of 0 or 1 to process information, while quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously due to superposition and entanglement. Quantum computing uses few key concepts are like first is superposition. So unlike classical bits, qubits can be in multiple states apart from 0 and 1 at the same time, enabling parallel computation. Next one is entanglement. When qubits become entangled, the state of one instantly affects the other, which enables ultra-fast information transfer. And the last one is quantum gates. Unlike classical logic gates, quantum gates manipulates qubits in unique ways, enabling complex quantum operations. But there are multiple challenges in quantum computing as well. Decoherence and error rates. Qubits are highly sensitive and require extremely low temperature to function correctly. Hardware limitations. So building stable quantum computers with enough qubits for practical application is still in progress. And the third one is algorithm development. Quantum algorithms are complex and require a deep understanding of quantum mechanics and linear algebra. The quantum computer to understand its progress towards the lens of different tech giants. So let's begin with IBM, which has leveraged quantum computing to accelerate drug discovery and revolutionize molecular simulations. So traditionally, drug discovery takes years due to the complexity of molecular simulations. But IBM's quantum chemistry algorithms enable accurate molecular simulations, drastically reducing drug discovery timelines by improving precision in protein folding analysis. Google achieved quantum supremacy by demonstrating groundbreaking advancements in optimization problems. Similarly, classical computers struggle with solving large scale optimization problems. So Google's Sycamore quantum processor demonstrated quantum supremacy by solving a problem in minutes that would take the most powerful classical supercomputers thousands of years. D-Wave, which harnessed quantum computing to enhance financial portfolio optimization, enabling more efficient investments. So investment firms struggle to find the best asset allocation strategy due to the complexity of financial markets. So D-Wave's quantum annealing technology enables rapid evaluation of financial portfolios, helping asset managers to optimize investment efficiently. Now let's run a quantum circuit using IBM quantum experience and see quantum principles in action. The first step is setting up the quantum circuit, then is to initialize 2 qubits in a quantum register. The next is applying quantum gates within 2 sub-steps, like apply a Hartmann gate to the first qubit to put in the superposition and apply a CNOT gate to entangle both qubits. And in the last, we measure the output by running the quantum circuit and measure the qubit state. The results will show that the qubits are correlated due to entanglement, demonstrating quantum principles in action. Quantum computing. It is set to transform industries by solving problems that classical computers cannot handle efficiently. So companies like IBM, Google, and D-Wave are pioneering research to make quantum computers more accessible and scalable. So the future is quantum. Are we ready to harness its full potential?